Hey, 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 come on in the room. Let's kick things off with a fun little game. Right now, I want you to think of one word that describes your current style. Got it? Now, think of another single word that describes your dream style. I want you to write them down on a piece of paper and set it off to the side. We'll come back to these later. Welcome to my masterclass on personal style and rebranding. My name is Kayla Shawn, and I am so excited you're here because this is where real transformations happen. This is where you take control of your style, refine your personal brand, and step into the most confident version of yourself. Whether you like it or not, style speaks before we do. It's the first thing people notice, the way we introduce ourselves without saying a single word. And when you're rebranding, whether a career shift or just a self-love upgrade, your style is your secret weapon. It's not about just clothes. It's about how you show up, how you carry yourself, and how you feel in your own skin. The right outfit can make you feel like you own the room, and the wrong one, it can make you want to hide. We're not hiding anymore, okay? We're stepping into confidence, one outfit at a time. Let me tell you a quick story. A while back, I worked with a client, let's call her Sarah. She was about to launch her business, but felt like her wardrobe didn't match her new role as a CEO. She told me, I feel like an imposter in my own brand. Fast forward to our styling session. We focused on structured pieces that made her feel powerful, bold colors that matched her energy, and accessories that made her stand out. And guess what? The transformation wasn't just in her closet, it was in her confidence. Now she walks into meetings like she was born to lead. This is what I want for you. Style is so much more than fabric. It's your personal brand, your message to the world. And in this masterclass, we're unlocking yours. Okay, so here's the plan. Over the next few sessions, we're diving deep into everything you need to create a wardrobe that speaks to who you are and supports your goals. Here's what's coming up. Wardrobe essentials, building the foundation of a stylish, functional wardrobe, styling with purpose, making intentional choices that reflect your personal brand, mindful shopping for the rebrand, buying smarter, not just buying more, sustainability and rebranding, how to refresh your wardrobe in an ethical way, final touches, and confidence boosting, because the details and your mindset make all the difference. By the end of this journey, you'll have a wardrobe that truly represents you, a style that makes you feel unstoppable, and the confidence to match both. All right, now back to our little game. Retrieve your piece of paper with your 2 style words. I want you to drop your 2 words in the comments below. What's your current style and what's your dream style? There are no wrong answers. Whether your current style is lost and your dream style is boss, you are in the right place. Your style transformation starts right now. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more updates and style inspo. And as always, stay stylish and confident. See you in the next video for lesson 1.